Hi everyone, it's Diane. It's Tuesday night and I am making supper, so I just wanted to show you a quick one. Making a barbecue chicken pizza. And I've done some of these at my tastings back when we could get together. So I thought I'd do one now, but tonight I'm using the naan bread. And that's these little things like this, and they had them buy one get one free. So I put them in the freezer, and I'll show them to you in a minute. But that's what I'm using, so they're real easy. And I just stuck them in the oven for maybe 5 minutes or so to just crisp them up just a little bit. And then I'm going to turn my camera down here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So these are my naan breads here, and I'm going to do this the cocoa exchange style. So I'm using some of our Korean barbecue sauce. And so I'm just going to pour some on. That's in place of my tomato sauce, obviously. You could use any kind. I've used our sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. That was really good too. So I'll put that on. And so of course I'm making two, but I'll show you just one for now. And so I'm going to use some cheddar cheese that I've grated. Again, most everybody has that in their pantry, or in their refrigerator rather. Usually on pizza you use mozzarella cheese, but for this one I like the cheddar. So change it up a little and try it. And then I have my other ingredients here cut up. So I cut up some chicken that I had from last night's supper. So it's already cooked, and I just chopped it up a little and put that on. I sliced up some onions really thin, putting those on. So I made them real thin so that they will cook quickly. Otherwise, you could cook them ahead of time. My husband's talking to me. Sorry. And then I also like to add some fresh pineapple, or you could do canned pineapple. I just happen to have some fresh, and I had it again in the freezer, just in chunks like that. I froze it for smoothies actually, but I decided to put them on the pizza. It goes really good with the barbecue sauce. So you could also use ham, whatever. And then just to top it off, I'm going to put some of our, this is our Caribbean seasoning. Some can in the bag. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that over the top. And then stick it in the oven. And as they say, dinner will be done. So just to show you another little variation, what I'm going to do for Jax is he likes this hot pepper cheese. So we've got, I don't know if you've seen this in the stores, it's like a hot wing cheese. So I'll use that. I'll put the barbecue sauce, and then I'll put some of this on top, and then the onions and chicken and pineapple. And then he also likes the jalapenos. So the hotter the better. So I'm going to stick some of those on top. And then the Caribbean seasoning on top of that. Pop it in the oven. So that's my quick supper. Should only take 10 minutes or so in the oven. And hi Val, I know you can't see my face. I wanted you to see the pizza. But I'm back. So I hope you try it. It's really quick, easy. You can do whatever. Kids can even make whatever kind they like. You can put leftovers on it, whatever. So, all right. I'm going to go put it in the oven, and I hope you all have a good night and stay healthy. Bye-bye.